bipartisan group of lawmakers is asking the Securities and Exchange Commission to force the popular clothing store Shein to prove that it does not use forced Uyghur labor in the making of its products before it is allowed to launch an initial public offering in the U.S. market. Shein is reportedly eyeing an IPO in the U.S. this year. In recent days, Representatives Jennifer Wexton and John Rose led 22 other lawmakers in sending a letter to the SEC expressing their concerns. The House members are troubled about Shein due to its possible use of forced Uyghur labor. In the letter, they asked that the SEC set forth regulations to mandate the company to independently verify it doesn't employ forced Uyghur labor. In the letter, the lawmakers cite the company's business model, which, quote, harvests vast amounts of consumer data using complex algorithms and manipulates China's supply chain to manufacture goods rapidly.